Google's next flagship smartphone lineup is already creating a lot of excitement, and even though the official launch is still a few weeks away, leaks are giving a very clear picture of what to expect from the upcoming Pixel 11 series. From a brand new Tensor processor and upgraded cameras, to advanced AI features powered by Gemini, the Pixel 11 could become one of Google's most important smartphone launches in recent years. But surprisingly, the biggest discussion right now is not about cameras or performance. Instead, it is all about RAM, and whether the standard Pixel 11 will be able to deliver the complete AI experience that Google has been promising. According to recent reports, Google is expected to unveil 4 new smartphones this year. These include the standard Pixel 11, the Pixel 11 Pro, the Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the premium Pixel 11 Pro Fold. So, when exactly can these devices be expected to launch? While Google has not officially confirmed anything yet, multiple leaks suggest that the entire Pixel 11 lineup could be introduced during Google's annual Made by Google event in August 2026. This follows the same release pattern that Google has been using for the last couple of years. Industry insiders believe that invitations for the event could start rolling out in late June or sometime in July, with pre-orders opening shortly after the official announcement. If this timeline turns out to be accurate, the phones could begin shipping by the end of August. Now let's talk about pricing. The good news is that Google may keep prices relatively similar to last year's models. Current leaks suggest that the standard Pixel 11 could start at around $799. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to carry a price tag of $999, while the larger Pixel 11 Pro XL could cost around $1,199. Meanwhile, the foldable Pixel 11 Pro Fold may launch at approximately $1,799. However, not all reports agree on these figures. Some sources claim that prices could increase by around $50 to $100, depending on storage options and rising component costs. And speaking of components, this brings us to the biggest controversy surrounding the Pixel 11. Several leaks claim that the base Pixel 11 may launch with only 8 GB of RAM. Normally, this would not be a major issue, but things become complicated when AI enters the picture. Google has heavily focused on Gemini AI as the future of Android. At recent events, the company showcased powerful on-device AI capabilities that can perform advanced tasks without relying entirely on cloud servers. The problem is that many of these advanced AI features reportedly require at least 12 GB of RAM to function properly. If these reports are true, buyers of the standard Pixel 11 might not get access to every Gemini AI feature available on the Pro models. That would create an unusual situation where customers buying Google's latest flagship phone receive different AI experiences depending on which model they purchase. For a company that is marketing AI as the centerpiece of its smartphone strategy, this could become a major concern. So why would Google make such a decision? The answer may come down to cost. The entire smartphone industry has been facing rising memory prices since early 2025. Growing demand for AI infrastructure and data centers has significantly increased the cost of DRAM memory worldwide. Many companies have already responded by increasing smartphone prices. Samsung raised prices on some of its recent flagship devices, and several Chinese manufacturers have reportedly done the same. Instead of significantly increasing the price of the entry-level Pixel, Google may be choosing to make selective hardware compromises to keep the standard model competitive. Fortunately, not everything about the Pixel 11 is controversial. One of the biggest upgrades expected this year is the brand new Tensor G6 processor. According to leaks, the chip could be manufactured using an advanced 2nm process, making it more powerful and more efficient than previous Tensor generations. This could result in faster performance, smoother multitasking, improved gaming, and better battery efficiency. Another important change may involve connectivity. Reports suggest Google could finally replace Samsung's modem with a new MediaTek modem. This might not sound exciting at first, but it could bring major improvements in real-world usage. Users may experience stronger cellular reception, improved network reliability, fewer connectivity issues, and even longer battery life. Together, the Tensor G6 and the new modem could represent the biggest hardware upgrade Pixel users have seen in years. Moving on to cameras, Google is once again expected to focus heavily on photography. Leaks indicate that the Pro models could receive upgraded primary and telephoto cameras, allowing for even better image quality, improved zoom performance, and enhanced low-light photography. Another interesting rumor points to a brand new feature called Pixel Glow. According to reports, Pixel Glow could introduce an RGB lighting system integrated directly into the camera bar. This lighting array may display notifications, alerts, and other visual indicators while the phone is placed face down. However, it is still unclear whether this feature will be available on every Pixel 11 model or remain exclusive to the Pro variants. Storage options could also change this year. Some reports suggest Google may remove the 128GB storage option on certain models. While this could increase the starting storage capacity, it may also raise the overall entry price for buyers. Battery capacity is another area that deserves attention. Leaks indicate that the Pixel 11 Pro may feature a slightly smaller battery compared to its predecessor. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold could also see a reduction in battery size. Whether these smaller batteries affect real-world endurance remains unknown, especially since the new Tensor chip is expected to deliver improved power efficiency. So, is the Pixel 11 worth waiting for? Based on everything leaked so far, the answer appears to be yes, especially for users interested in AI features, camera improvements, and Google's latest software innovations. The Tensor G6 processor, upgraded cameras, new modem, and Gemini-powered experiences could make the Pixel 11 series Google's smartest smartphone lineup yet. Still, questions remain regarding RAM limitations, battery sizes, and storage configurations, particularly for the standard model. As always, these details are still based on leaks, so final specifications could change before launch. What are your thoughts on the Google Pixel 11 series? Is the standard model enough, or would the Pro versions be the better choice? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest tech updates.